Hi, today in front of me ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why I tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our battery temperature. In my case that's 9 and 5 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model, Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.